Hi, if you are the agency or business owner and use GoHighLevel as a CRM to manage and automate your business process, and you're wondering what could be the top 5 automations which every business or agency required on day one, so you are at the right place. In this video, we're gonna talk about top 5 automations which every agency need on day one. My name is Deepak from Isuremedia and I'm gonna tell you one by one the top 5 automations which you may require on your business. Starting from the first automation, which will be the lead or your contact welcome automation. So let's say if you use any kind of forms to your websites, or if you run any kind of ads from where your leads are coming to the system, so this automation will help you them an automated text and email for their welcome. This will be our first automation, and that also sends an notification to the team that your business has a new lead. Next, moving ahead to the second automation, which will be the nurture sequence for the leads. Let's say you have your lead into your system and now you want them to take next action toward your business. So in this automation, you will send SMS and emails to the leads on a defined wait. Let's say in a couple of days, you're sending SMS or emails to the leads stating, hey, let's schedule a call, or let's meet for reviewing your requirements. So this automation will help you on that approach. So and you can define the wait based on your requirement, be it a couple of days, or you want to send those notifications or the SMS to the lead on 2 days of wait, 3 days of wait, or week days of wait. So you can do that. Moving ahead to the next appointment sequence or appointment booking confirmation reminder automation. So this automation will gonna help you in sending the appointment confirmations, reminders, SMS, and email notifications to the appointment owner and as well as the appointment attendee. So let's say if you are using calendar for your business to schedule appointment with the leads and you want that the lead should not miss the appointment, so for that you can use this appointment booking and follow-up reminders for the contact from in which they're gonna receive booking confirmation SMS and emails as well as the reminders before 1 day and 1 hour and 15 minutes. So that can be customized based on the business requirement and the internal notifications as well. And the same automation can also help you to recover the cancelled appointment or no showed appointment, so that you can send another email or SMS to the lead that by mistake they have missed the appointment, or if they want to reschedule the appointment, you can also set up the automations with the help of this automation. Moving ahead with our fourth automation, which will be the missed call text back automation, and this is the very most important automation for any agency or business. So let's say if any lead dial your business phone and your team or you are not able to pick that phone, and so for that you can just send an SMS to the contact that hey, we got your call, but we are sorry for not picking up and we'll call you soon. And that's gonna send to your lead, and as well as you can send a notification for the internal team as well that you got a text from this call, this number, and you have to follow up. So this automation, this fourth missed call text back automation gonna help us on that. And next, the last one is the review and reputation management automation. So after a successful conversion of a lead, you can send them the satisfaction SMS or the email from where they can just review your service or your business. Based on that, you can later send them your Google review link, which is gonna help you to increase your reputation on Google listing as well. So these are the top 5 automations which every agency and business owners need, and we'll see you in some similar kind of videos soon. Thanks.